In this video, you'll learn how to import a CSV file into ClickUp so you can quickly bring your existing data into your workspace without having to recreate everything from scratch. Let's get started from the main ClickUp dashboard where you normally land after logging in. First, look toward the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a simple user icon depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to access your account settings. Look for the option labeled Settings and select it. This will take you to the main settings area for your account where you can control various preferences and configuration options. Once you're in the settings screen, pay attention to the left-hand side or the central navigation area depending on your layout. You're looking for the section called Import and Export. This is where ClickUp keeps all the tools related to bringing data in or sending data out of your workspace. Click on Import and Export to open that section. Inside the Import and Export area, you'll see different choices for how to move data. Since we're working with a CSV file, ClickUp treats this similarly to an Excel-style import. Look for the option that says Import Excel. Even if your file is saved as a CSV, this is the place where you'll handle that import. Click on Import Excel. At this point, ClickUp will usually prompt you to upload a file from your computer. A file picker window should appear, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your CSV file is stored. Browse to your CSV file, select it, and confirm the upload. After you select the file, ClickUp may show you a preview of your data, or it may guide you through a brief setup process. This can include mapping the columns in your CSV to the correct fields in ClickUp, such as task names, due dates, assignees, priorities, or custom fields if you use them. Take a moment here to scan through the column mappings and make sure everything lines up properly. Getting this right will save you time cleaning up later. If ClickUp gives you options for where to import the data, choose the appropriate space, folder, or list that should receive the new tasks. This helps keep your workspace organized and ensures the imported items appear exactly where you expect them. Once everything looks good, confirm the import. ClickUp will process your CSV, create tasks from your rows, and fill in the details based on the columns you mapped. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of your file, but for most small to medium imports, it should only take a short moment. When the import finishes, navigate back to the space, folder, or list you selected earlier and review the new tasks. Check a few sample items to confirm that titles, dates, and other key fields imported correctly. And that's all there is to it. By going to your profile icon, opening settings, heading into Import and Export, and choosing Import Excel, you can quickly import CSV data into ClickUp and get your workspace up and running with your existing information.